there are bucherim, they are empty. No Torah, no tefillah, movies. They do bad things. Then they comes in yeshiva, they sees boys are happy. I'm going to make fun from this boy. I'm going to tell him a story. Why you fool him? What you having if you go to a boy? You know, next week 20 boys goes to Israel. I made a joke. What's the point from them? So if I'm gonna find you, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you a line, and then you're gonna find out that it's not true. Oh, I make fun. What's the point? I look at a boy that make fun from another boy, disgusting boy. A boy not davening, no, one day gonna daven. Oh, but eine Chapter zweiten. Someone hurt someone's feelings. Boy, it's time make a story. What's the point from this? I don't get it. No, yesterday someone come to me, Shiva. I heard the whole Shiva going to Israel. So for like Boimer. So only I'm staying here with two. I didn't hear from this. Maybe. Who told you this? This boy told me this. So I think also it's true. So I go asking this boy, what? So everyone I'm going. I didn't hear. I heard 3-4 boys going. No, I made a joke. This is a joke. Okay, I don't understand this kind of jokes. What? You make fun from others. So you love when I gonna tell you something, scurum, lie, and then you're gonna find this is not a way. Oi, Beppers, if something, I'm gonna schmooze with the other friend. I see a boy don't have sitting alone. I'm gonna schmooze with him. What's the point from this? You don't have what to talk. You don't have what to do. Talk from stam schmooze. No, even politic. It's not bad. Politic. What do you think? It's a good thing to make a war with North Korea. Not good. What you say to Putin? What you say to this? Well, stam schmeezing. But why we have to hurt another's feeling?